Welcome, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Shibadoge is amazing. Shibadoge have now started increasing or hitting back at where it was before the end of January. Now this year is the year for Shibadoge because Shibadoge really dominated. A lot of people were surprised to see Shibadoge increasing the market cap of about $5.6 million to about $36 million market cap, almost $30 million market cap within a period of 10-12 days. It was amazing. I was surprised to see Shibadoge, and since then Shibadoge has maintained a high market cap. I was thinking that market cap will start dropping back, just like the way Shibadoge has been doing as of mostly last year, 2022. Now today we all know what is going on right now. What is going on right now is that Bitcoin is gaining almost 10% increase in price in the past 24 hours. So many crypto coins are also increasing in price, okay? So many coins are gaining 7%, some are gaining 8%, some are even gaining 14% increase in price. I'm happy to see that. Now, Shibadoge is actually gaining about 8% increase in the price as of the volume of Shibadoge really increasing also. It's about 66.68% increase in price, and Shibadoge price have hit almost 8% increase in price, 7.94%. Let's say 8% increase in price. It's amazing. Now Shibadoge is still going to increase more, and I believe that Shibadoge market cap now is almost hitting $36 million. Okay, that's about $35,976,218 in market cap. That is about $36 million market cap. Wow. If Shibadoge market cap will hit, let's say Shibadoge market cap hitting $50 or $100 million, believe me, it is going to be the right time. It is going to be the time for Shibadoge. Remember, people believe Shibadoge is a new Shiba Inu, and this coin have started benefiting from top billionaires that have been pumping in money to Shibadoge. Now, some exchanges have started also listening Shibadoge, and you see recently Bitmain have already partnered with Shibadoge. Don't be surprised to see big names, big exchanges that you know. Overnight, you'll be hearing they just listed Shibadoge, okay? And that is going to be one of the biggest news. I'm hoping that Shibadoge will gain the support of exchanges like Crypto.com, Get.io, Bank. I'm hoping Shibadoge will get the support of Binance, the support of Coinbase. I want to see Shibadoge coming in, partnering with these big crypto exchanges. And when that happens, believe me, this is going to be amazing. Shibadoge is going to gain a lot. Now, the market cap of Shibadoge have really pumped, right? Now, so many people believe that even Bitmain, I know, remember Bitcoin just listed Shibadoge, of course, they purchased some Shibadoge. What most crypto exchanges are doing right now is to, what they're doing is to kind of buy a coin, they now list that coin. I'm hoping that this year is going to be one of the best year for Shibadoge, because Shibadoge is going to really increase in price, but it all depends if BTC will also be hitting a very high level before the end of the year. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.